Hello dear friends! In this video I'll be making classic American magic bars, also known as Hello Dolly bars. I'm adding melted butter to crushed graham crackers and mixing thoroughly until it reaches a uniform consistency. We'll spread this mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Press the crumbs down firmly to form a compact layer. Chop the toasted and dried nuts in half. No need to finely chop or crush them, simply splitting each nut in two is sufficient. Sprinkle the chopped nuts over the pressed graham cracker base and carefully distribute them in an even layer across the entire surface. Add chocolate chips, spreading them evenly over the surface. Then sprinkle cardamom, covering the entire dessert. Sprinkle shredded coconut, distributing it evenly over the surface. Save some coconut for the final topping. Pour sweetened condensed milk over the dessert as shown in the video. Sprinkle the remaining coconut on top. Place it in the preheated oven. Baking mode and time are specified in the video description. Remove the bars from the oven and let them cool to room temperature. Then refrigerate for complete cooling, preferably overnight. The bars have been in the fridge all night. See how easily they come off the baking sheet. The pieces cut neatly, maintaining their shape and integrity. Make these and enjoy. I hope my video was helpful to you. See you in future videos. Bye!